We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say.
I have had Dor-Mar out to my home several times over the years for maintenance on my HVAC system. Always a good experience. They have maintained the HVAC system, installed an Ecobee thermostat, and replaced the blower on the AC when it went out. Thanks for the service.
But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.